Good morning, children. Let's continue with the chapter Treasures from the Earth. It is not easy to find out where oil is. Deep down below the earth, scientists use special techniques and mechanics to find this out. Then, through pipes and machines, petroleum is pumped up. This oil is a Now please underline this. This oil is a smelly, thick, dark colored liquid. It contains many things mixed in it. Okay, to clean and separate these, it is sent to a refinery. Okay, it is refined because it is very dark, thick and very smelly, thick colored liquid. Okay. How have you heard of a refinery? Refinery? What is refinery? I had told you yesterday that when this dark thick colored liquid is, they are put into a kind of place where it is heated. It's a kind of furnace it is, but it is a refinery where it is heated. Okay, that liquid is heated and lot of byproducts come out of this. Okay, so it is a form. It is from this petroleum or oil that we get. It is from this petroleum we get whole lot of things. What all things we get out of this petroleum? We get kerosene, diesel, petrol, oil, engine oil, and fuel for aircrafts, etc. So these are the things which we get from that thick dark colored petroleum. Okay, so petroleum, when you say, it is a thick dark colored liquid, but when you say petrol, so petroleum, from petroleum we refine them and we get petrol, we get kerosene, we get diesel, we get oil, engine oil. Okay, we get fuel for aircraft. Okay, and do you know that LPG, that is cooking gas, wax, coal tar and grease are also obtained from this petroleum only. It is also used in making several other things like plastic and paints. Are you not surprised? Like plastic and paints, everything, whatever you are getting, we all are getting, everything is, it is obtained from the petroleum only. I started thinking about saving oil. I remembered that sometimes Baba keeps the engine of the tractor on while doing something else. At times, the pump in the field is also left on. How much oil would be going waste? I thought, I will surely talk to Baba when I get home. Yeah, that when you don't need that petrol, when you're not going anywhere, don't keep it on. When you're not doing the work on the vehicle, don't keep the vehicle on. Don't waste the petrol. These are the textbook questions that you will have to do. Find out and write. How much petrol, diesel can be filled at a time in your scooter or car? Okay. How far can it go on 1 liter of petrol or diesel that you have to fill on your own, beta? Then this is the rate of petrol are different in each city. The rates of petrol and diesel in Delhi are given below. Look at the table and answer the following questions. So this is the rates of the diesel and petrol written in 2014. Okay, and in 2007 also it was given. So whatever is textbook questions, you have to solve accordingly. Then one poster is given here. You can see, where am I used? So petrol is used, or the byproducts of petroleum. Okay, so whatever it's coming out of the petroleum is byproducts. So for dry cleaning, you know what is used? Petrol. For lightning, kerosene oil. Petrol and diesel for aeroplane, tractor and fuel. And fuel for the aeroplane. And fuel for the tractor, fuel for the cars. LPG you get from petroleum, kerosene you get from petroleum. To run machine you need that, and to make plastic and paints we use these petroleum byproducts. Okay, see the poster. So this poster you have to draw in your copy. Okay, save fuel, make it a habit. See the poster and write where all is oil used. So these are the process for dry cleaning, for lightening. All the names are already written. Where is diesel used? Find out. So you have to see where the diesel is used. Now Divya wrote a poem and read it out louder and discuss. I'm black, I'm thick, I flow. Who am I? Do you know? I will last longer if you use me with care. I got made over centuries, I won't always be there. I light your lamps, I cook your food, I run your machines. Fly plane in the sky, who is more useful to people than I? If not used with care, I won't always be there. Will they fight over me? What is the life without me? I'm black, I'm thick, I flow, who am I? Do you know? So this is such a beautiful poem. This is giving a message to you, isn't it? Now wood for chulha. Durga lives in a village in Haryana. Every day she spends many hours collecting wood for chulha. Okay. Her daughter also has to help her in this. For the past 3 months she has cough because they are using the chulha on the wood. Okay, chulha, and on chulha you have to use wood for burning, right? So there is a lot of smoke when damp wood is burnt. When Durga does not have any other option, when there is not enough money to buy food, where will there be money to buy wood? So they don't buy wood, they don't have money to buy the wood, so they get wood from outside. So whatever wood, it is open, no, it is kept in open. Sometimes it rains, sometimes because of the moisture it becomes damp, and when it is damp and when you burn the damp damp wood, lot of smoke comes out of it, and then you might cough. Okay, today about 2/3, that is 2/3 of the people in our country use, please underline what they use uple, they use dried twigs. Okay, these are used not only for cooking food but also for keeping warm, heating water, for lightening. Many other things are also used for all activities at home like kerosene, LPG, coal, electricity, etc. So Kancha had seen a bar chart in the book. The chart shows the number of houses out of 100 that use each type of fuel. It also shows the use of which fuel has increased and which fuel has decreased over the past 20 years. So here children, you have to see this chart. These are the bar charts. Here you can see uple and wood 84, 10, 5, 1. These are the in year 1976, and this is how many houses out of it, out of these many are using this, like 84. So it is written 84 in 1976. 84 houses were using uple and wood. So like this you have to just study this 1997, 1976 and 1996. So what is the use of fuel over 20 years? Okay. So children, you have to do this bar chart, and it should be done in your copy also. So this bar chart has to be done in your copy also. It has to be drawn in your copy also. Okay, it comes in the exams. Okay, so here we are done with the chapter, and I'll send you the question answers for this. Okay.